What's up, everyone? My name is Santiago, and today I am with my uncle and my cousin and Amy.
What up?
How you doing? And now, guys, do not try this at home. My uncle Danny's lighting it.
Just kidding.
Wait, where's the pack? Okay, we're lighting these, and he's going to hold it, which he wanted to do it. I didn't tell him to. And he's going to hold it in hand and throw it in the air. I told him it's dangerous, and he's probably going to blow his hand up. But, oh.
That bird over there was like,
I didn't say go. The camera didn't even see you do it. Do it right in the shade. It's easier to see.
I think I gotta hold it longer, guys. I didn't want to have to hold it longer.
I didn't want you to hold it longer.
Hold it longer. Don't tell him. Don't tell him. Light it in your hand.
The only thing you're doing is freaking the birds out.
Okay, wait.
Just
Try
throw it
number
right
3.
there.
Hold it. Okay.
I'm gonna hold it a little longer
Just throw it right there.
until it starts going.
Oh, God.
Okay, do it.
No, not till it goes there.
If
Toss it right
I
in front
believe
of
this
you.
will take flight if we get it just right.
Hey, that rhymes.
Fight right.
Oh, very good.
Oh, that was actually cool. You could make like
It did it right
you could
in
make
the
like
air,
a
thank
grenade.
God.
You could do it like a grenade. You didn't even throw it when they start doing it though.
I don't want to hold it that long. You're crazy.
Yes, do it.
No!
Y'all trying to get me hurt.
I know, you're fired, Brayden.
I'm the one making the video here.
Grandma would not approve. Ooh, that was just in time. Woo!
That did fly.
It lit up in the
Do not
sky.
try this at home, kids. If you're watching this, and if you're adult, and if you're crazy like Danny.
Everybody run! Oh my God! Everybody run!
Oh, hell no.
Holy
It didn't spin.
I just wanted to burn a hole.
It did. That's
I know,
that's
right?
what it does.
You got it just in time, dude. It would have burnt a fat thingy in your freaking grandma's head.
All right, whatever kid finds
Oh,
the
that's
most
hot.
gets $1.
No, I'm not doing that. I have no shoes on. Are you crazy?
Dude, it's like what? It's like 2018. $1 doesn't do nothing.
Yeah.
I'll do it.
2018. We need
Wait,
50
Em's doing it.
bucks.
She wants
Oh,
$1.
what?
We need 50 bucks to do that.
I don't apologize.
Okay, so you guys have enjoyed this video of Danny being crazy holding a firework in his hand, then please leave a like on the video. And I'll see you guys all later. Please subscribe, leave a like if you're Danny being crazy holding a firework in
Don't
his
forget to put face
hand.
in there too. So.
Oh yeah, and also leave a like.
Faith.
Subscribe for Faith.
Hey.
And also leave a comment if you really liked it and want to see more. But not of this. I'm pretty sure we're not going to do this again. No, she's like,
It's
no.
not grandma approved.
Grandma not approved.
Grandma said no.
Yeah, this is in my grandma's house anyway, so.
And
She's not here. That's why they did it. So
So hopefully grandma doesn't watch the video.
I want to say goodbye to everyone.
bye.